Hi guys, I just got the new DJI SPARK More combo. Now we're going to unbox it. A bag. Look at that. It's leather. Let's see what's inside. Inside the bag is oh, look at that. Controller. I turned it on. I don't know what did I press. Let's turn it up. Oh my god. I don't know how to turn it up. How do I even turn this off? Oh, let's put this one here first. Next, what we have here is, what is this one? Oh, I think it's a charger cord. The propeller guard. Let's open them. There you go. Propeller guard. There's 4 of them. Then, oh, this one is for the charger. I think. Oh, look at that, a USB cable and the charger deck for this. I think this 3 comes together. Oh, this. I think that's all in the bag. Let's see what's inside it. There you go. Real sturdy. It's really nice. Oh, you can put some SD card in here. And I think that's it. Looks nice. You can put it. I gotta put the bag in here. Let's open some more. What is this one? There's something inside. There's something inside it. Oh my. Books. Lots of books. Do I need to read all of it for me to be able to play it? Oh my. Maybe. We'll see. Let's just put this here for a little bit. Put them inside. And here it is. It has a hard case. It's kind of look like a styrofoam. There's a DJI in it. Let's open it. Oops. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. What are these? Oh, extra propellers. Here and here. An extra battery. I didn't know that these are charged. And the main drone. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I thought it's not heavy. How come the one that I saw in the store, it's not heavy, and this one is really not really heavy, but it has weight on it. Look at that. Just the battery, just need to slide that. Do I know? Oops. Yeah, you just need to slide it. It says here, charge the battery for the first time to activate it. Power on and off. Press once, then press again and hold for 2 seconds. Press once and press again. Hold for 2 seconds. Oh, I think I need to charge it. I don't know if I can use it now. Maybe I need to charge it yet so that I can show you how to fly it later. Oh my god. What just happened? What just happened? Do we need to charge this one? I don't know that. We need to watch lots of videos on YouTube. Look at that. Feels so nice. Oh, I can't wait. Let's charge it for a little bit. Put this back here. Okay, I'll see you later, guys. I'll just charge it and then we'll go outside to fly it. See you later. Take off. Oh my god. I just broke my Spark, guys. Look at that. I broke all the propellers. Look at that. Oh my. I'll try it again.